lovelies, I am back again with another delicious recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Quesadilla Salvadoreña. It's a cheese type of bread, but it's sweet and also a bit savory. It's made with parmesan cheese, so I hope you enjoy. Now let's begin. We're going to start off by placing 1 cup of rice flour into a bowl, sifting it first. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and we're going to make sure that we sift it as well. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're then going to continue the recipe by adding 1.5 cups of sugar. We're then going to continue by adding 2 cups of grated parmesan cheese. For my wet ingredients, I'm going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk to my mixer. I'm going to continue the recipe by adding 4 eggs to my mixer. And for my last wet ingredient, I'm going to add 1 cup of unsalted melted butter. I'm going to turn my machine on a medium-high setting, and I'm going to start to whisk everything, all of my wet ingredients first. And then I'm going to scoop 1 cup at a time of all of my dry ingredients that I had previously mixed in my bowl. We're going to mix everything on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we also want to make sure that we scrape all the sides. You could use a spoon or a spatula so that everything is combined. We're then going to pour our batter into our buttered up molds. We're then going to finish it off by sprinkling a handful of sesame seeds all over. This is going to give it the signature touch. We're then going to place our quesadillas in the oven. My oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And voila, after 25 to 30 minutes of baking, we have our delicious Quesadilla Salvadoreña. It's fluffy, it's cheesy, it's sweet, it's perfect for your afternoon coffee. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.